Around 250 million years ago, our world was not the map we know today. The Earth consisted of just one large continent, a supercontinent called Pangea. All the land masses we now know as the Americas, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia were gathered into one giant land mass. The huge ocean that surrounded it was called Panthalassa, and in its deceptive calm, the Earth was in fact setting the stage for one of the most dramatic geological collisions in our planet's history. Over millions of years, Pangea split into two supercontinents, Laurasia in the north and Gondwana in the south. A huge waterway formed between them, which later became the forerunner of the ancient Ocean of Tethys. This split was not just a matter of geography. This newly created isolation brought about major changes in life on Earth, separating plants and animals on both hemispheres, thus beginning a long path of separate evolution. After Pangea split, Gondwana also experienced a rift. The southern supercontinent fragmented again, and the large land masses we now call South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Madagascar, and a mysterious landmass called India all began to drift away from each other. In the midst of this process of separation, India took on a very astonishing role in the story of the formation of our world. India, a small landmass compared to the other continents, separated from Gondwana about 120 million years ago. For about 35 million years, it drifted in solitude in the ocean, isolated from other lands. An island drifting away from everything, India became a land mass that was isolated and had its own evolution. In this isolation, unique flora and fauna evolved, creating species unlike anywhere else on Earth. However, India's adventure is far from over. At a rate of about 14 centimeters per year, the landmass is sliding northward towards the Eurasian continent. A long journey of 9,000 kilometers is underway, and a great destiny awaits. Around 50 million years ago, India's journey culminated in an inevitable collision. A small landmass that had been sliding along for millions of years finally slammed into the Eurasian continent with tremendous force. It was one of the most important geological collisions in Earth's history, resulting in the remarkable formation of the Himalayas. Imagine the force of this collision. The two hard plates, India and Asia, collided with such force that the Earth's surface began to wrinkle. Layers of rock were pushed up, compacted, and formed the world's highest mountain range, the Himalayas. These mountains continue to grow to this day, rising more than 1 centimeter per year as India continues to press into Asia. It's a collision that never stops, and the result is one of the most stunning landscapes in the world. But the Himalayas aren't just a series of impossibly high peaks. They're also triggering massive changes across the globe. They're changing the climate, directing winds, shaping rainfall patterns, and even causing animal and plant species to evolve in new ways. This deadly spectacle changed the world, not just for India and Asia, but for our entire planet. The formation of the Himalayas had effects far beyond the borders of the Asian continent. One of the most dramatic impacts is global climate change. When the Himalayas formed, it altered the Earth's ocean currents and atmosphere. These towering mountains acted as giant walls that blocked the flow of wind, causing unprecedented new weather patterns. One of the main effects was the emergence of monsoon wind patterns in Asia. When moist winds from the Indian Ocean are trapped by the Himalayas, they rise, cool, and create heavy rainfall over South Asia. These rains are vital for agriculture in the region, which to this day relies on annual monsoon rainfall. However, the same barrier also created droughts in northern regions, such as the Gobi Desert, which formed in the dry shadow of the Himalayas. Not only that, but global ocean temperatures have also decreased, due to the presence of the Himalayas. This mountain-building process altered water flow patterns in the oceans, lowering ocean temperatures and triggering the migration and extinction of some marine species. At the same time, the South Polar ice cap began to form, marking a major change in the history of Earth's climate. The once green and warm Antarctica slowly turned into the thick ice sheet we know today. The other most pronounced change due to the Himalayas is not just the climate, but also the evolution of life. By creating cooler and drier climates in some parts of the world and high rainfall zones in others, the Himalayas triggered massive migrations and changes in the distribution patterns of flora and fauna. In Asia, vast grasslands began to spread. These were ideal habitats for many species of large mammals, such as horses and elephants, which evolved to live on these vast plains. Grasslands also encouraged the evolution of predatory animals, creating new food chains. In Africa, the impact was also felt, with grasslands expanding and affecting life on the continent. Global climate change triggered by the Himalayas even affected North America, where grasslands began to flourish, supporting bison and horses. In remote places like Madagascar and New Zealand, geographic isolation led to the evolution of unique species, including large flightless birds. In Madagascar, the Aepyornis bird, also known as the elephant bird, evolved into one of the largest birds in the world, weighing more than 500 kilograms. Meanwhile, in New Zealand, the moa bird has emerged as a giant flightless species, with some moa species as tall as 3 meters. One of the most astonishing impacts of the Himalayas is the change in Antarctica. Before the deadly collision between India and Asia, Antarctica was a green continent, teeming with forests and life. However, when the Himalayas formed, atmospheric circulation patterns changed. Cold air from the South Pole began to flow north, while the ice sheet began to thicken in Antarctica. In millions of years, the continent transformed from a vibrant forest to a desolate expanse of ice. The change from green to white not only affects Antarctica itself, but also the entire global climate. With Antarctica now covered in ice, global temperatures are dropping, and the world is entering a cooling period known as an ice age. To this day, the Himalayas continue to grow by about 1 centimeter per year. However, the process of erosion and weathering makes the growth of the Himalayas not clearly visible. Even so, India is still moving northward, pushing Asia little by little. As a result, the region is frequently shaken by earthquakes caused by shallow tectonic movements. It's a reminder that the deadly collision that created the Himalayas isn't really over yet, and our Earth is changing, slowly but surely. From India's long, isolated journey to the catastrophic collision with Asia, to global impacts that include climate change, species evolution, and the emergence of natural phenomena such as monsoons and grasslands, the Himalayas have changed our world in ways never imagined. These mountains are not only a symbol of phenomenal natural beauty, but also an incredible force, capable of shaping the history of the planet. The Himalayas, with all its majesty and mystery, have stood tall as an eternal witness to world-changing events.